This is the letter F. This is the lowercase f. And the letter F makes the f sound, like in the word frog. Those are funny frogs.
Give the letter F to peck. Good work! You gave the letter F to peck. Give the letter B to Olo. B. 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 Great! You gave the letter B to Olo. Who is wearing the letter F? Tap them.
F.
Super! Sandy is wearing the letter F. Who is wearing the letter P? Tap them.
P.
Super! Sandy is wearing the letter P. Who is wearing the letter F? Tap them.
F.
Great! Peck is wearing the letter F. Who is wearing the letter B? Tap them.
B.
Super! Sandy is wearing the letter B. Trace the lowercase letter F. Great! You traced the letter F. Drag the letter F into the glass. Great! You put the letter F into the glass. Drag the letter B into the glass. B. 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 Great! You put the letter B into the glass. Which truck has the letter F? Tap it.
F.
Good job! Which one has the letter P? Tap it.
P.
Good thinking! Which vehicle has the letter F? Tap it.
F.
Good work! Which vehicle has the letter B? Tap it.
B.
Great! Trace the lowercase letter F. Great! You traced the letter F. Put the apple with the letter F on the tree. Great job! Put the ice cream with the letter P on the cone. Awesome! Give the ram the hay with the letter F. Cool beans! Give the rat the cheese with the letter B. B. Keep it up. Drag the letter F to the rabbit.
Woohoo!
Good work! You dragged the letter F to the rabbit. Drag the letter B to the rabbit.
Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!
Good work! You dragged the letter B to the rabbit. Trace the lowercase letter F. Great! You traced the letter F